back with a brunch show with uNoxolo Nene ku-Wednesday Healthy Wednesday. Namhlanje ke umhla ka-20 October ngibingelela abasilalele laphana ku-Khare ngithi shalom kunina ekuseni ngibingelela nalabo abasilalele laphana ku-Facebook, YouTube, ngiyabingelela. It is a wonderful day that the Lord has made for us to be glad and rejoice in it. As sasazi ke ukuthi mina ngiqala differently usuku because each day ibalulekile, so you have to know ukuthi ngosuku oluthize ku-celebrate-wa ini ukuze uzowazi na ukuthi because thina isikhathi esiningi sazi ukuthi usuku olubalulekile nje it's our birthdays only. Bungazalwa nje namhlanje you feel like, oh, this is not a day, it's just a day nje uthi hayi uvukile, but abanye they expect ukuthi mekuwusuku oluthize mhlambe siyazi ukuthi okay semcimbini kuyo-celebrate something, ngiyakumempeso semshadweni or sekuma-baby shower, zonke lezo zinto because siyisethile kahle kahle ngini lezi zinto siyi-celebrate-hayo. But I just wanna tell you ukuthi usuku nosuku libalulekile, noma ngase kuthiwa awuplananga something ngalolu suku, abanye vele baplanile noma sekuthiwa nabo abaplananga, but just know ukuthi usuku nosuku libalulekile and then you have to ukuthi wenze into futhi ezokujabulisa ngalelo suku lolo, okay? And nakhona ukuthi into bezokujabulisa, just make sure ukuthi uzenzela wena injabulo because isikhathi esiningi especially abantu besifazane they expect abantu besilisa ukuthi bebejabulise, uphume nje out, go somewhere, yabo njalo nje ubeka le joy kaleli kumuntu wesilisa ukuthi okay kumele angikhiphe, yabo. But wena you have now ukuthi azokuthini, I have to treat myself lovely, I have to treat myself nicely. Uphume nje ube nje ushaye solo date nje uhlale phansi wedwa ungabhoreki because there is this thing ukuthi awema ucabange nje mase ngihlele e-restaurant ngedwa nje, sengihlele e-restaurant ngedwa sengibhorekile sengedla ngedwa. It's okay, just have the conversation with yourself, spend time nawe, yabo, izinto ezikanjalo because you never know ukuthi usuku nosuku likuphatheleni. So namhlanje as kumhla ka-20 October 2021, it's the World Osteoporosis Day. Na mase kuba celebrate lokho, it's find out the dates, history and tradition of World Osteoporosis Day, kusho kanjalo ke. So mase kuba i-Hagfish Day, mase kuba i-Medical Assistant Recognition Day, mase kuba i-Support Your Local Chamber of Commerce Day, mase kuba i-National Brandied Fruit Day, ilokho ade nginiphathele khona about ukuthi yini celebrate namhlanje. Healthy Wednesday, I felt like it's very important ukuthi nginibhekele ama-tips of how to avoid a stroke because abantu abaningi they think ukuthi a stroke, especially abantu like thina as black people about from South Africa or other African countries that I don't know, but into engaziyo, excuse me, ukuthi we know ukuthi stroke nje it's whereby umuntu ekuthakathile or something yabo. We don't believe ukuthi mhlambe ingaba i-medical ntontoni, yabo, izinto ekanjalo nje umuntu bayibona ukuthi okay une stroke, hayi ngithakathiwe, yabo. But I felt like it's very important ukuthi sifunde indlela so avoid ngazo i-stroke. So I have 9 tips of how to avoid a stroke, yabo. So that ungalokhe uba nalento le ukuthi hawu sekunjanjani, hambe uyobona usibanibani, and nalokho kuzokusiza ukuthi wehlise umthwalo kwabafundisi nakubantu enibahambayo, yabo. Kwabafundisi because abantu abaningi they just believe whatever but they don't see ukuthi lento le sometimes iba i-health related because isikhathi esiningi asinaki izinto esiyidlayo. We may say ukuthi it's very important ukuthi hambe uyojima, eat right, ungawehlisa ushukela. But noma sesikhuluma kanjalo, you be like, okay, mina nje angikwazi ukudla okublack. Yabo, ukudla nje okungena taste, yabo izinto kanjalo. Mina I was able to ukudla okungena taste even though lapha la ekhaya ukusasicomplain sekugcina sijwayelekile. So sekuba khona i-negativity ebakhona ukuthi usisi wami bekaphekile because akahlala la ekhaya, so akangithastisi mina ukudla because noma usawuthi bumncane ngiyawuza ukuthi ukhona, yabo. So manje vele athi ayi mina ekhaya nodla sawuthi ngothastisa omunye umuntu, wena uzovela ukuthi ukhona even though umncane, yabo. So manje sengiphatheka ngabe ukuthi angisathastisi ukudla cause sengikwazi ukuzwa usawoti even though umncane, but mina ngikwazi ukuzwa umningi, yabo, ukuthi okay uzwakala kahle ngoba umncane, yena bewutaste akawuzwa, mina kodwa bengutaste ngiyawuzwa. So kuba sekunaleyo difference leyo, but I love it, yabo, ukuthi kuyangisiza ukuthi sengiyakwazi ukuthi okay akufanele ngidle into enosawoti omningi and akufanele vele ngikhule into enoshukela, vele ngingayithandi into enoshukela omningi because I remember uma engiphathele ubona lamakhekhe amandiya bekuDiwali aphathe lawo makhekhe lawo, uthola ukuthi anoshukela, uthola ukuthi ngidla ngize ngidanse ikhekhe, yabo, uthola ukuthi ngidle because sengidanse soshukela manje ngifuna uliqeda. Yeah, so ngayibona ukuthi ayingulo muntu lo ongathanda ushukela lakho omningi, uyangixaka even when ngidla ikhekhe. I like to eat ikhekhe mase ngidrinka amanzi, not ijuice or not ukuthi mhlambe ngizenza umlungu or what. I'm trying to be healthy, not kumina nje lokho ukuthi mangidla ikhekhe I feel like ngiphuze namanzi, not eat drink, not eat juice, not eat tea because kuvele kube istatata, yabo. Nasazi istatata bekuthiwa umuntu udla into enoshukela omningi noma into enoshukela omningi istatata, into kanjalo vele kube, yabo, yakuba kanjalo ushukela kuba mningi kakhulu even though uthola usincane, but mina it's about too much, yabo. Yeah, but ke kwangisizayo ukuthi like uma asehlisele ushukela even though usawoti, even though sasicomplaina because udokotela wamtshela ukuthi no, you have to ukwehlisa usawoti since yena ane high blood pressure, yeah, since anayo. So waforce ukuthi sonke la endlini ukuthi singawudlu ukudla okunosawoti, unga-edwa nje at all usawoti, yabo. Kwaqala kwabanzima, ngengizwe ngithi ngeke kumele vele sihlukanise amabhoda, ngabona ukuthi ngiyakhathala mina indaba yokuthi phekwa uthusa vele sagcina sesimjoyinile, and lokho kwangisiza and I'm so grateful for that, yabo. I remember khona isalukwazi sangala ngasekhaya samtshela ukuthi naye ehlisa ushukela usawoti, I mean ehlisa usawoti, sasona ngeke sikwazi nje ukuthi sidle ukudla okungena taste. Abantu abaningi abakwazi ukudla okungena taste at all. Mina ngiyakwazi because like haya ngashawa esikoleni, ngafundisa isikole sala ekhaya ukuthi udla okunesawoti omningi kakhulu, even nama spices, ukudla okunama spices sekuba because nala ekhaya saphe ngama spices, so sekuyang-affecta in such a way ukuthi bekudla ukudla okunama spice ngikhishwa isisu, yabo, izinto kanjalo. So nje it's a good thing ukuthi ukudla okungafanele kungene emzimbeni wami, umzimba wami usiyak-rejecta manje. I don't have to force, yabo, izinto. Bubona ukudla kwasemcimbini ukuthi kunama spice amaningi kanjani. So nje I know ukuthi bengizohamba sengiyazi ukuthi it's either ngizokhishwa isisu or angeke ngize ngibe right at all, yabo. So nje lokho kwangisiza and kwasisiza la endlini, ngulowo muntu lo oba grateful ukuthi hayi wamlalela udokotela and wasiza nami because mina bengithanda ama-chips, yabo, ngoba mina ngawuthanda ushukela, ngithanda ama-chips kakhulu, but lokho sekwehlile because bengiwadla ama-chips belingapheli usuku ungawadlanga belingapheli bengenza sure ukuthi alipheli ozwa ngithethisa ngelinye langumathi wena nje ama-chips njalo nje ama-chips cabanga wazwa sasiphethe ukuthi maybe ngangifunda isikole futhi esesiphethe ukuthi are you pregnant ngithi hayi boma yabo because ngendlela engangiwadla ngayo ama-chips ngangenza sure ukuthi bengidla nje bengiqeda ukudla ama-chips lalingapheli usuku ungawadlanga ama-chips but manje selaphela nje ungawadlanga ama-chips again. Okay, I got you ama-9 ways of how to ama-9 tips of how to avoid a stroke. Okay, number 1 uthi get rid of tobacco. This study shows stay away from tobacco reduce the risk of stroke by 33%. There is no smoking less, so it must be stopped at all since at this time. So if you've been like smoking tobacco, you must stop it, because if you stop it, it reduces the risk of like having a stroke. Number 2, obviously eating fruits and vegetables. So fruits and vegetables can lower the risk of heart disease, cancer, and many other diseases. So it is the case with broccoli. One FNC more than broccoli that you need to know is to prevent stroke. If you know yourself ukuthi you are not allergic to broccoli and you just hate it, yabo ikhona lokudla lokho uthola ukuthi we are not allergic to that kind of fruit or veggie, but you just hate it, yabo. So if uzazi ukuthi kanjalo, just try your best ukuthi ungalizondi fruits, ungawazondi or broccoli or brinjal or cauliflower izinto kanjalo, but la broccoli uyayipreventa i-stroke. So manje nje just nje buthenga ama-veggies ufake no broccoli. Mina it's my favorite of broccoli, yabo, because nje ungithestela kamnandi. And even nalayikhaya bebethenga amalonje ama-veggies isikhathi esiningi ngiyasho ukuthi ngifuna lawo, because there's a time whereby bethenga ama-veggie whereby kuno-carrot, mixed veg le eba no-carrot no chukol, u-carrot no u-carrot nombila no peas, mase kuba nobhontshisi lo ubona nobhontshisi lo okhiwayo ngiyakhohlwa ukuthi ubizwa ngani, kodwa lo green beans, yeah, so ngaba bored sometimes, siba bored ama-fruit ama-veg abahlezi bewathenga endlini, so bathenga ubroccoli. Hayi avele ngabona ukuthi azakuthini la, this is heaven, yabo. Futhi abanye abantu abaningi bevele beyitshela ukuthi budla certain kinds of veggies, bevele beyitshela usufuna ukuzenza ubulungu, uzenza ngcono, uzenza ntontoni. No, just because wena wathanda ama-veg, you don't have to discourage omunye umuntu. Omunye vele athi udla lento, yabo. As like thina black people, we have this problem. If umuntu adle mhlawumbe i-veg wena awulithandi, ibla udla lento ndikanje, mina nje angiyidli, yabo. So ubroccoli ke waqala kusisi wawuthenga like hayi ama-veg no-broccoli. So mina ama-veg ngaze ngayenza kanje ukuthi angiwathandi ukukhara, angiwathandi ukukhara because indlela esipheka ngawo ukhari ayifani, yabona. uthola ukuthi sometimes ukhari ufuna ukuthi uvuthisiswe and then ama-veggie masuwafaka later. So masehlangene no-curry powder mina kuyenza isense yabo. So I decided ukuthi ngenze lento le ukuthi siwabhoyile eceleni. So njalo bengenza wona ngiwabhoyile eceleni wodwa eceleni ngiwathande kanjalo, even sekuthengwa even nala u-carrot nombila just ngiwabhoyile eceleni. Angisawathandi ukuwafaka ukhari, angeke ngubone ukuthi ubukhulu ufundisa ukuphetha wafaka ama-veggie kukhari ufake nakhona. Yes kuba kuhle yabo, kuba kuhle, but mase kukhari mina angikuthandi mina myself unoxolo nina. Angisasho ukuthi wena uyakuthanda, maybe when uyakuthanda, but sometimes akubi that's healthy. Cause masukufaka kukhari sometimes ufaka early ama-veggie kanti fanele uwafake late because avuthwa kakhulu, uthola ukuthi nama-nutrients aseyamunceka, asemunca ukhari, uthola ukuthi nasekhari wakho uyasha yabo, yonke into inosawoti omningi yabo, izinto ey'kanjalo. So even no-peas, u-peas mina bengingawuthandi kukhari but ngiwuthande ngoba sengiwu-add-a kwi-rice yabo, u-add kwi-rice ne-rice lakhona futhi ngiwu-add u-peas because u-peas usuwuvuthiwe vele, but ngiwu-add-a mase mhlawumbe sengizoliqwenga or sengilicwengile seliyishela lona amanzi because kuba nalento lokuthi abantu abanye bathanda ukucwenga i-rice yabona, mina elami ngikuthanda ukuthi licwenge yabo. So ngifake kanjalo kumnandi kabi i-rice elino-peas, even nesitambu esino-peas simnandi. Isitambu sakho si-add u-peas but u-peas ungavuthwa kakhulu yabo, uma uvuthwe ngazuthi angikuthandi kanjalo. Even nepapu add u-peas wakho ave kuba kuhle abantu abakwazi ukupheka but kuba mnandi yabo. Angisho ukuthi uzo-add-a and then usabhoyilisha amanzi usuzoqeda yabo, ubusulibona ukuthi ipapa lakho livuthiwe u-add nje. Even no-carrot bengenza njalo, no-carrot nama-mixed veg lade ngiwashilo la, no-carrot what you call u-carrot umbila yeah, ave kuba mnandi, ave kuba mnandi. Ungahlanganisi nokhari but wena if uthanda nokhari it's fine, but bengilawo ku-broccoli make sure ukuthi niyabathenga o-broccoli because abantu abaningi that uyabiza. Uma usedecide ukuthenga laba abavele not abaku-mixed veg because usisojwayele ukuthenga laba ku-mixed veg, uma usethenga lo okuhlaza vele ofanele vele uyiphekele wona, oh heaven on earth, ave ngiwuthanda nawuthanda shame u-broccoli. Angifuna uqamba amanga bengazi nokuthi uprevent i-stroke but ngoba uzoprevent sekuzodlela indaba yokuthi uJune noJuly, kodwa-ke indaba kufanele vele uyidle kakhulu njo just boil eceleni, ugade futhi ayagadwa. And futhi mawupheka o-broccoli mawubhoyila ubhoyile eceleni because boil eceleni it's either ufaka a pinch of salt or ufaki at all, you gonna decide. If uwazi kahle ukuthi umawala ngakusawoti just ungawu-add ukudle unjalo or u-add kancane usawoti just for i-taste yabo. If umawala I would advise you ukuthi unga-add usawoti because uyabulala usawoti yabo, so uyabulala usawoti. And nakhona usawoti kufanele u-avoid, ngisazoya kulolo point. That is why ngithi u-add usawoti, pinch of salt. Bungakwazi I would advise you guys ukuthi thengani ama-measuring cups. Ama-measuring cups ahamba nama-measuring spoons akhona. So if uzazi ukuthi awukwazi ukala usawoti even when you are reading a recipe, just nje fanele uyifundise because thina isikhathi esikhula mina ngaze ngafunda la esikoleni ukuthi kuba khona ama-measuring cups njani uyaqala yonke into uyaqala. Safundisa ukukala ngengqondo thina uthi yabo uma usufila guilty engazothi sekukuningi kakhulu uyeke ukukala. Sesenza njalo ukala ngenhliziyo yakho ukuthi yabo uma sungekho comfortable ngokufaka usawoti uyayeka yabo. So to solve ilotuzana guilty wakho ukuthi ungazisho guilty yabo just sebenzisa ama measuring cups noma ama measuring spoons ukuthi u-add salt yabo no namafutha konke just uyifundise nje ukuqala and siyeke lento lesafundiswa yona ukuthi nisingayifundisa ingane zethu lento yokuqala ngenhliziyo nami ngisayifunda lento yokuqala ngenhliziyo ngisho kahle nje umuntu bengifundisa something ethi mina ungangifundise ngendlela yokuqala ngenhliziyo because mase ngifika lapha ekhaya inhliziyo yami neyakhe ayifani yabo mina ngizothi ngithi akukho enough kanti seku enough because ukukhumbula ukuthi inhliziyo iyakhohlisa yabo so besila ukuthi enena ubroccoli ubroccoli wona uya preventa ke i-stroke fanele nje ukwazi lokho broccoli buwazi ukuthi bungekho allergic kuwona or allergic kuwona just thenga amalontshana ama vitamins akhona or ama supplement akhona or ama vitamin or thenga multivitamins kanje yabo ukuze uzobalansisa ilontshana i-health yakho. Maso number 3 kuba potassium consumption. The research found that consuming potassium rich food daily may reduce the risk of stroke by 40%. So potatoes are a good source of potassium in addition to avocado, banana, salmon, and tomatoes. If bungazi mawuthi wilenhlobo le ethi njengoba la ekhaya othi akawadla amazambane aphekiwe but udla lawa fryiwe kayizeni fanele siye ukuyitshela because lawa fryiwe nawo ayawenza umonakalo because uthola ukuthi usukhuluphaliswa amazambane yabo izinto kanjalo and mina I will encourage you ukuthi ubalansise yabo and ifanele sijwayeze ukudla utamatisi but not too much yabo hayi kakhulu balansise nje ufaka ama green salad yabona nje izinto kanjalo mase kuba khona abantu abapheka ngotamatisi not like ngizothini I'm not a fan of ukupheka ngotamatisi because ukudla kuyashesha ukonakala and mina inyama yenkukhu ephekwe ngotamatisi yo hayi sibona abangani yabo but iyakhona ama soup ayenziwayo uthola ukuthi okay sake utamatisi uthola ukuthi kumnandi ngakhumbula lesasilenza kakhonza uthola ukuthi liba mnandi but utamatisi isikhathi esiningi abantu ba-add whereby kwenziwa ispaghetti na inlele ne-mint into kanjalo nje muzopheka i-mint utamatisi avomnandi. Okay, so suyazi nje ukuthi potassium nje i-reduce ama-risk of stroke by 40%. Buwazi ukuthi bongawuthenga utamatisi, buwazi ukuthi nje awusawudla ubanana ngoba uwudli kakhulu or wathwathi or you just nje hate ukudla ubanana unawo ama-allergies. Just make sure ukuthi nje mhlampe uyawudla maybe usuzoyibona usudla kanjani but udle ungawudli nawe kakhulu because abanye ubakhiphisa ngesisu. Bese kuba number 4, eat smaller portion. Eating is an intake for the body. Human can okay alright bese ngidideka la. So abantu abaningi bebedla badla ukudla uthola ukuthi umuntu uphelelwe appetite sometimes uthola ukuthi sometimes udla kakhulu yabo uthola ukuthi omunye uma ephatheke kabi akadli or ube ne depression udla kakhulu nje abanye abadli yabo. So ngizofocusa to laba abadla kakhulu because it's very important ukuthi udle a smaller portion of ukudla, yabo. So budla kakhulu or reduce i-risk, yabo, increase i-risk of having a stroke, but budla kancane uyayi-reduce i-risk ye-stroke ne. Because there are times whereby we say, uthola ukuthi umuntu uthi mina ukudla kuyangikhamfatha, yabo. Sometimes uthola ukuthi uya overeat just because ukudla kumnandi ngale ndlela le. So we must just train ourselves ukuthi kumele sidle ama small portions, yabo. Kodwa nje ukudla okuncane because thina abantu sekuthanda ukudla, yabo, ukudla uzuhluthe ngazo uzungawazi ngisho nokuphefumula othuthi isisu siba buhlungu, especially iy'ngane ey'ncane, and futhi nabantu besilisa bayakuthanda ukudla kakhulu, umuntu asuthe kuze kube over. Lokho akukho health ukudla kakhulu, and lapho ungasafarisha kulotujani kwe-obesity. Nalokhu ukuthi ukhiphe i-stress ngokudla, it's not okay. You just have to eat like ngendlela ojwayele ukudla but e-balance, ungakudli ukudla okuningi kakhulu, because lokho kuzokwenza ukuthi nakhona asafarisha from a stroke, nakhona kuba khona nezinye izifo eziba khona because udla ukudla oku-too much for umzimba wakho, and lapho masuba mkhulu ngale ndlela le exakile, yabona. Mase reach i-stage se-obesity whereby uba nenkinga futhi nakhona yenhliziyo, futhi sometimes uba nenkinga yokuphefumula. Abanye uthola ukuthi abakwazi ukuyiphefumulela bona, basebenzisa ama-oxygen ukuthi bephefumule, yabo. Uthola ukuthi omunye nje akasakwazi nokuhamba even i-long distance just because ucarry i-weight, yabo. Abanye abakwazi even nokuvuka embhedeni just because they are too big, yabo. So nje just make sure ukuthi nonse kuthiwa we go through things, we all go through things, but never use food ukuthi ukudla kube i-comfort yakho. Ungakwenzi leyo nto ukuthi nje I feel comfortable bengedla ukudla okuningi. Angisho ukuthi like kumele ungadli, but kumele udle, but imizimba yethu ayifani. Abanye uthola ukuthi hayi ngoba edla kakhulu, yabo, just nje uyayikhuluphalela ancipheki, yabo. And sengikhohlwe le nto le ithi biza yami, but ngakhuluma ngayo la kwi-show ukuthi angazi sokuyilento njana kuyi-pancreas yini, I think so, ukuthi bune-pancreas eningi emzimbeni, iyakwazi ukwenza ukuthi umzimba wakho buthi uyajima unganciphi, buthi uyajima unganciphi. I don't know, it's either i-pancreas noma i-insulin, because i-insulin ihlanganisa what you call bune-insulin encane whereby i-pancreas ingakwazi ukuproduce i-insulin, yabo. Ilabantu la abaphathwa ushukela, uthola ukuthi ushukela wakhe une-diabetes because i-pancreas ayikwazi ukuproduce i-insulin. So I think usune-insulin, but I don't want to give you information whereby I'm not sure, because ngiyakhumbula ukuthi ngakhuluma nayo. So I'm gonna do a research about lento le engisho ukuthi bokwenzeka ukuthi ungancipheki emzimbeni, uyajima, uyaslima, wenza yonke into but ayincipheki. I'm gonna do a research for you, and mase ngiyakutshela ukuthi ibizwa ngani leyo nto, because I don't want to confuse you, yabo. But what I know about the insulin is that it's whereby ungaproduceki insulin eningi emzimbeni wakho, whereby ususafarisha from usungena kwi-diabetes, yabo. So yeah, ungabe uzobe confused nje next week, ngizobe ngikutshela ngalokho, okay, ukuthi yini le, because I remember ukuthi ngakhuluma ngayo but angisakhumbula igama layo, guys. So I'm sorry. Into encourage yona ukuthi don't eat a large portion of food. And number 5, uthi reduce salt consumption. Okay, so Salt is always used in all kinds of food, either sweet or savory food is always appended to salt because we need ukudla okune-taste. Angithi siyazi angeke sikwazi ukudla okubland yabo kumbi but mina sengakudla so angenikwazi abanye abakwazi ngeke ngifake njengami mina ngiyakwazi ukudla okubland because sengakudla like I think for I don't know how many months but sengakudla maybe for a year. I think it was for a year but sengakudla bengifuna uku-escape angivele ngipheke mina and then base-ke ukhareke uma aphekele owakhe eceleni but ngiyakwazi ukudla okublend ukuthi kunjani but mase so used to it yazi it's kuba normal ngathi udla ukudla okunormal mase used to it ngikutshela so nje did you know that salt causes the body to retain fluid and increase blood pressure? So use salt to taste, not to excessive, okay? So get to use to avoiding that. Or salty food that have high level of salt content. For example, ama-chipsy, ama-chips esikhathi esiningi anosawuti omningi uyawazi ukudla okunosawuti omningi okunye that you have to avoid thina lokho singakwazi. So number 6 uthi ke check your blood pressure regularly. Okay. Okay. Research shows diligent control of 40% reduce the risk of stroke. So controlling high blood pressure is vital. So vital, it means it's important, okay, or very imperative. So it's vital for the prevention of a stroke. So if more than 140 or 90, it means that your blood pressure is high. So try to lower it. So buyazi i-blood pressure yakho ukuthi injani ingakanani iko 140 or ukuthi 90, just try ukuthi uyi-reduce because mawungayi-reduce uzosufferisha from a stroke. Okay. Muthi nje mina nje ukudla ongenawo sawoti njani angekwazi but this is you, this is your health, you have to ukuthi ukwenze ucheck ilonjana i-blood pressure yakho ukuthi inganani khona uzozama ukuyehlisa masiyehlile uzame ukuyi-maintaina iyehlile ungabo until you up and down lokhu fluctuate zama ukuyehlisa uzama ukuyi-maintaina kuleyo level le elow. Okay, nakhona because engene niyayihamba imicimbi njani noma usudlile-ke ukudla okunosawoti iba nezinto okwazi ngayo ukuthi okay le iyawehlisa ulonjana i-blood pressure yami as for example i-cinnamon yabo fanele isikhathi esiningi u-add cinnamon ekudleni kwakho if ukudla okudlayo kunesawuti omningi add cinnamon or abanye bajwayele ubuy carbonate of soda bawuphuze ukuthi nakhona uyawehlisa. Okay, but mina vele ngikuzwa unosawoti I don't know why ukuthi wehlisa kanjani but bathi uyawehlisa-ke kodwa-ke because Nomash is using it even ne-cinnamon uthi cinnamon iyayehlisa ilonjana i-blood pressure. So it's either uyayiwomisha uyiphuza i-warm or uyifaka etiyeni or uyifaka kunoma ukuphi ukudla kwakho okudlayo if wena ungafuni ukudla oku-tasteless. Okay, yeah. Number 7 uthi check your neck. So ask your doctor to listen the sound of your wheezing around your neck. So ukuze bubeke isandla sakho la emqaleni ukuthi vele kuba ne-beat ebakhona ehambisana ne-heartbeat. Angazi ukuthi mina yini ngengizwe ngedwa but if you can touch it right now, utouch umqala wakho uzozwa ukuthi okay kune-beat ebakhona ehambiselana ne-heartbeat. Okay, so this is important if you have atherosclerosis. So lokho kuchaza okay, let me read it. It's a hardening and thickening of the arteries, which cause blockage of blood flow. So finally again, uyihambe uyo-check-a if you suffer from atherosclerosis. Okay, ukuthi ucheck-e nje umqala wakho ukuthi unjani, yabo. U-check-e nje the sound ukuthi udokotela ayilisine ukuthi injani, because when you may feel normal, but if udokotela sekucheck ukuthi no, isound yakhe ayikho right, le ebala emqaleni. So it's very important ukuthi ke uhambe uyo-check umqala wakho. Okay, mase kuba number 8 to perform exercises. Okay, it's very important to exercise. So our research shows that for those who started training at the age of between 25 to 40 years, stroke risk is reduced by 57%, while those who started training at the age of 40 to 55, the chances are 87% better avoid a stroke early. Siqala nje u-exercise nje like manje nje uyijwayeze nje ukuthi uya-exercise nje, ingapheli nje i-week unga-exercisanga, yabo. Ingapheli nje yabo i-week unga-exercisanga noma i-month, zijwayeze nje kuyivocavoca noma uwalke. So number 9, the last one, uthi reduce fat. So what is good for your heart is good for your brain. So keep cholesterol level means that inhibit atherosclerosis and stroke. So eat fat no more than 25% of caloric needs. So it's very important ukuthi ke wehlise amafutha, ama-fat, wehlise, because if ungawehlisi inhliziyo yakho ingayizoba nenkinga, you suffer from a stroke, and nenhliziyo yakho heart disease, uthola ukuthi inhliziyo yakho isinamafutha, izinto ekanjalo, nenibona, yeah. So nje make sure ukuthi enena uyawehlisa amafutha amaningi, yabo. Fast food nje make sure ukuthi nje you stay away from it, yabo. So I don't eat fast food here at home, but mengiphumile out ngidla phela ngeke ngayibusisi. But abake kuthola ukuthi endlini fast food, ngaphandle fast food, yabo izinto kanjalo. So I have this thing ukuthi okay, bengiphume out, okay, I eat, yabo. But ukuthi mengisekhaya I don't eat fast food, especially at home, or bengithenga angisathengi, like, because ngangisupport phela anginifanele support abantu abadayisayo, thenga ama-wings, yabo, thenga ama-fried, but I'm not a fan ukuthi ngihlezi ngithenga nje fast food, because khona abantu abaphila ngayo, so hlezi udla ama-wings, hlezi uthenga fast food, nje udle izinto enamafutha, and futhi umzimba wakho uyakhombisa ukudla fast food, especially uba ne-acne ebusweni, and nje ubuso bakho sometimes buya-respond ubuso if udla into engekho right, nasemzimbeni thola ukuthi usugena ngale ndlela le engafanele ugene ngayo. So as sengivala sodlala umusic, asengisho nje amamili amathathu mase sidlala umusic mase ngithi bye. Yeah, ilokho ade nginiphathele khona namhlanje. Make sure ukuthi lokho ade ngikusharela khona ama-tips ama-9 of how to avoid stroke azokusiza ngale ndlela le, because this is for you and for me, and you have to know ukuthi yini oyifake ekudleni. It's imperative ukuthi wazi, it's important ukuthi uwazi ukuthi enena yini oyidlayo and inani. Ingakho ngihlezi encourage ukuthi enena fundani ama-food labels, noma yini oyithengayo funda i-food label yakhona, because ziningi izinto abantu aba-allergic kuzona, ziningi izinto abantu abayidlayo, uthola ukuthi umuntu udla into enosawoti omningi or enamafutha amaningi. Nje I-encourage you because niney'ngane and you have to see ukuthi ingane yakho i-allergic kuphi. Fundani ama-food labels, ileyo nto nje esingayenzi. Ngeke ngibone nathi besithenga ey'tolo, vele uthathe nje, awufuni nokuthi unani ikani, awulifuni ilo not ikani, i-can, awulifuni nokuthi nani, uyathatha uyathenga, uthathe uthenge, yabo. So nje just fundani ama-food labels, it's very very important if nje ufuna ukwazi ukuthi yini le bengidla engenza ukuthi ngibe nje engigulisayo. Fanele ukwazi ukuthi u-allergic kephi, fanele ukwazi ukuthi umzimba wakho awuyifuni into ethize, yabo. Fanele ukwazi ukuthi umzimba wakho bengidle le nto le uresponda kanjani, yabo, to avoid ukugula nje unnecessary nje, yabo. Just know ukuthi fanele u-avoid ini. Just take care of yourself. It's from me, Unoxolweni. It's goodbye. So next week ku Healthy Monday. Because mina namhlanje last day yami kule week lena, kusasa ke ngizobe nino Pastor Mel. From me, Unoxolweni. It's goodbye.
Oh,